Hi guys, I've got another paper airplane to show you. It's a really cool one. All you need is one sheet of A4 size of paper or letter size, same thing. So you start with folding the sheet in half as precisely as you can. You can use your fingernails for the crease to make it sharp. And you unfold and fold this corner to the middle. Same thing with the other one, with the other corner. Just like that. Now you fold just like that, and about 1 inch gap here, and make sure the line matches with this one, so it's in the middle. Just like that. Then you fold this part back. Use this flip as line, help line. This is where the corner should end up. Just like that. Now the tricky part, slightly tricky but not too hard. So you take this bit, just like that. You hold it and fold it to the middle line, just like that. But you press only this part and hold it with your fingers and adjust. So just like that. Okay, press, and same thing with the other side. So this part to the middle, press only this bit, and you hold it with these fingers and stretch it like that. And now you hold it like that, and you can help yourself. Just like that. Now you take the plane and fold it just like that in the middle. It should meet just like that. And now use this line here as a guideline. So that's where your fold will start, about 1/4 of an inch or 2 centimeters. Just like that. Unfold, turn over, and fold again, same way. Just like that. Unfold, and what you do is you just take that and press it, push it in, just like that. And again, press. So now you turn around, just like that, and now use this corner as a guideline, So because that's where your fold will start. And roughly an inch or 2.5 centimeters, and again you press hard, just like that, turn it over and do the same thing. On the other side. The more precise you are, the better. So press. Okay. Now turn over like that. And again, this corner is a guideline. And about that much. It's hard to tell, but it doesn't really matter how much it is, or how big that is, as long as it's the same on the other side. So roughly that. This is about 1 inch and something, maybe 1.5 inches. So like that. Turn over. And same thing on the other side. I'm not gonna measure. I'll just do it with my eye, just like that. Almost done. And the last bit, it will actually fly as it is, but what I like to do, actually fold it like that, and I've got scissors prepared. If you don't have scissors, you don't have to do that, but it just looks better and flies better. So I usually cut it and make sure it's folded properly, and I always cut it about that much. You don't need that, and that's it. This is how it should look like. And just these wings also at 45 degrees, like that. Yeah, that's a good plane. And that's it.